I invoke the lady! Send these abominations back to Mor's realm! A knight's honor is more important than his lands and titles!
Send in the peasants!
Shields! Men of Bretonnia, get ready to face Empire scum!
Send the peasants forward, so they may know the horrors we protect them from.
The lowborn do not worry about things such as honor. We fight for the lady and our liege lords!
I will sup from the Holy Grail and become the lady's chosen. Stay pure, fellow knights. The lady sees all. See the power of Bretonnia.
By the will of the Green Knight, we destroy these abominations!
Does the enchantress observe the battle?
Come on, lads! Get those arrows aimed high! I pray to the lady, protect us!
Spearmen at arms!
I am Karl Franz, and I was born into this world, just like you. A world of unceasing war and endless terrors, but with a nation of men at its heart, a bastion of hope and courage. The Empire.
The Empire endures!
Yes, the rites of war are ready.
The Helden Hammer!
It's an omen!
Missiles will fly!
Gods of the Empire, protect us from these demon!
Spearman!
Back to the fields, fools! We fight for Sigmar!
Do not let the Emperor sully the hammer with these creatures!
Come!
Gunners! No lingering! Formation!
I left an offering to Shalya. She will protect us.
Move that tower!
I swear this as your Emperor.
We are promised a place at Sigmar's side for doing this!
I may spare your soul. Yes, bow before he who wields the Slayer of Kings. By God's call. Bretonnia, such a backwater. Say your words so I may rip them from this mortal plane and mutate them into sandflies to crush. Make your plea. It amuses me. Speak your words while I still deign to listen, mortal scum. Your cities tumble, your citizens quail. Bretonia and its laughable patrons will be swept away as if the lake hand had been pulled out to sea. My master has planned for your kind. What is your offer? I am ever chosen! Malekith, all shall tremble.
Old ones.
Murderous!
I lust for slaughter. No mercy!
Cain's bride! First sorceress!
I am darkness.
Dark of visage and dark of soul. No good can come from you.
Shield of the Everqueen.
The poison in your soul will claim you in the end, Druki.
It will be done. The leaf came to me. We will be victorious.
The hatred in your heart is noxious, Druki.
I tolerate you only because it aids Ivres.
Swordmaster of Hoeth. Spearmen.
Is this another one of your tricks, servant of Nagaroth?
Your presence shames the Phoenix Court.
Advance! Onward! Seal!
Strike down the chaos things with trusty dwarven steel!
Stout hearts are needed against the undead.
I'll surround the enemy in dark rooms.
Stand proud, Darwykin!
Shield bearers, ho!
So this that you have just seen is part of my Warhammer Fantasy collection. I say part because there are still a few other armies that I have, and including both from Warhammer 40k and still from Fantasy, but they're not fully painted. This is basically the majority of the stuff that I've got painted so far. Most of them painted by me, some of them painted by professionals that I hired for the job, and a few other miniatures I just bought them painted already. I hope that you enjoyed it. I still play occasionally. Sometimes I play with my wife. She likes playing Dark Elves usually, or Chaos. I prefer playing Bretonnia or High Elves. It's a great hobby of mine that I started when I was 13. So many years ago. I used to play this all throughout the 90s, and it was a great hobby of mine, great passion, and I'm happy that I've kept all the manuals. Started in, I believe it was 5th edition, played all the way through 6th, played through 7th, and 8th, 9th, I played them all. So it's a great game. Looking forward to the new version that they're coming up with. Although I've got to say, I didn't really play Age of Sigmar, not necessarily because I'm against it, but simply because, I mean, you need to give me square bases. That's what I've been playing with, that's what I know. But if you're a player of Age of Sigmar, then, you know, have fun. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. and I will be showing more miniatures as time goes by. Thank you.